not sure that my employees would, would unionize. Within the restaurant industry as a whole, I think that it's very possible to have a union of restaurant workers. In the United States, the way that we have created a strong middle class and a strong economy is by having a good, steady, reliable job. Because once you have a job and you get good at your job and you have job security, then you can buy a house, buy things, invest in something else, you can get more education, whatever you want to do. But that is the fundamental. And so if you have no job security and you're not sure about what your income is going to be in the next 6 months, it weakens all of us. One of the big disappointments I have is that we've never grown enough so that I can offer my employees health insurance. I don't even have health insurance for myself. So my hope would be that if there were, organizing happening out there, that it would create somewhere for people to get benefits. We were the envy of the world in the fact that everything was possible here, because you could move up from the lower class into the middle class by getting a good job and working hard at it. So we need to go back to those days.